Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Mazda Repu. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. So this is from B case actually. So again, I didn't buy this from India. So don't ask me for what price I bought, and also I bought a lot of things at the same time. So but it came closer to our Indian MRP, somewhere around 180 or 190 rupees, around that same range, max to max of 200 rupees, but not more than that. So I specifically bought this because the livery looked really nice and I actually don't own this casting before. So I just thought of getting it. And okay, so let's see how this one looks in hand. Okay, so here is the casting itself. Let me just put the card aside. Okay, so the first impressions of this casting, it does look really nice. So they did a matte paint job. I don't know what color to color, maybe a biscuit color. But it's a matte paint job along with this uh, wave kind of livery they did. Actually, which is really nice and it really suits this particular casting. And it looks really beautiful to be honest. And there are no tail light details. And let's see. Okay, so the headlight, they didn't paint anything here. They just left it blank, but it is embossed. See, if you are really a customizing guy, you can go ahead and customize it. This is going to be absolutely beautiful. And you can see some interior detailing here, which looks really nice. And okay, so the body is fully metal, and this part here actually it is plastic in the bed, and the chassis is actually plastic. And okay, honestly, the paint job is good. It is not the worst, to be very honest, but it looks like a tattoo. When you are a kid, you used to buy this bubble gums and you get the tattoos, right? So it looks like someone put the tattoo on top of this particular casting. So it does remind me of that, good old days. So that is one of the reason I actually bought it. So the chassis details are bit better compared to other cars. You can see the exhaust details here. Okay, let's weigh this casting now. Okay, okay, 33 grams. Fine, not really bad. And let's do a roll test real quick. Okay, it does roll good, even though it doesn't pick up any speed, but I don't see much of a wheel wobble or anything so far. Let's just try one more time. No, there are no wheel wobbles or anything, but it doesn't reach the end, it doesn't gain much speed. Yeah, it doesn't, so it just stops at the same place. So overall it's a really beautiful casting, and so maybe not that track friendly, but it does the job compared to other Hot Wheels which we unboxed till last year in our channel. So that's it for today guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.